This is the quadratic formula theorem. It's negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So if you're given the equation ax squared plus bx plus c, you can plug in the points a, b, and c into the quadratic formula. In this example, we're given the equation 2x squared plus 7x plus negative 15 equals 0. It says to use the quadratic formula to solve the equation. To make it easier, we'll use A as purple, B as pink, and C as blue. So first we have to plug in the A, B, and C values. We start with negative b, and b is 7. Then plus or minus the square root of b squared, and b again is 7. Minus 4, AC, A is 2, and C is negative 15. And the entire equation goes over 2a, and a again is 2. The next step is to simplify everything that we can. So we start with negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 squared, which is 49, minus 4 times 2 times negative 15, which is negative 120, and a negative plus a negative is a positive, so it becomes plus, all over 2 times 2, which is 4. We can simplify even further because inside the square root is 49 plus 120, which equals 169. To simplify it one last time, the square root of 169 is 13, so it's negative 7 plus or minus 13 over 4. Now we have to separate the equation into two parts, the plus and minus. So it becomes negative 7 plus 13 over 4, and negative 7 minus 13 over 4. When we solve this out, we get 6 over 4, which then simplifies to be 3 over 2, so this is one of the two solutions that we're going to get. Negative 7 minus 13 comes out to negative 20 over 4, and when you divide that out, it becomes negative 5. So that's our second solution. So our two final solutions to this problem are 3 over 2 and negative 5. This is how you solve the quadratic formula when you're given the quadratic equation. These are the steps for solving with the quadratic formula. First you plug in the values for a, b, and c. Then you simplify everything that you can. You calculate the square root, and you solve for the positive and negative solutions.